So if it's a client request coming in that's really urgent, that you actually want to see if you can move forward, move back, what you need to do first off is understand. So very often this will be a phone call rather than an email. What is it you actually want? What is it you actually need? When do you really need it by? Now, you'll find that we often go, oh, I'll get it done tomorrow. Well, no. Find out when they need it. Not just kind of go automatic, yeah, it'll be done by close of business. Find out when they need it. And if they do give you a deadline, find out where it's originating from. Is it a commercial pressure or a statutory deadline, which really you've got to respect? Or is it a deadline they've self-imposed? And if it's a deadline that's self-imposed, you may find there's some wiggle room. So that, oh, I need it close of play today. The question is, when are you going to be working on it tomorrow? If it's first thing, then you at least can start early the next day on it. But actually, oh, I'm not going to look at it until lunchtime really means as long as you've got it to me by lunchtime, that's fine. Question is, when are you going to have time to look on this? Want to make sure it's there for you. You may find that the deadline actually shifts. Now, you may find that if it's immovable and you're going to struggle doing it, one of the things you can actually pay is what I would call the human-to-human card and go, if you've got that strong relationship, you can actually help. Look, can you help me out on this one? I'm really struggling. I'm up against it. Can we squeeze out any more time your side? You may find that they can help. Now, the next thing you may find is that you can actually stage the deliverables of what they want. You may not be able to do the fully finished document ready for them or the full review, but they might be happy with an overview. They might be happy with here are some key points to think about. This is what I'm looking for. They may be happy if you break down the task into what do you really actually need? Can we deliver this here, and this here?